When I was 5, my dad bought me these wooden blocks, and I had actually started a YouTube channel, and it was called Building Blocks 101. You can probably still find it on YouTube. Just stacking these blocks, make different crazy spheres and sculptures out of these wooden blocks. I'm Solodukhin, and I'm an Autodesk Design and Make Ambassador. The Autodesk community at RIT, we're all from different backgrounds, but we all center on one thing, which is the Autodesk software and their CADing software and the 3D modeling software. We do live teaching demos. We do practice sessions before every workshop, make sure everything actually goes right. After the few workshops, we had gained so much traction that people had just started coming to our meetings. Before, I was horrible with talking to people, always really awkward, couldn't hold eye contact long enough. Eventually, when you realize, oh, this is a job on the line, this is my career, this is what I'm gonna do. If I'm not gonna do it, then what am I doing here? So if I'm not doing this right, then I have to learn how to do it right.